Hi, y'all. Back again for some behind the scenes pumping up. So in my last video, you saw that I clearly, really need to practice O Little Town of Bethlehem. You got to see some of the practice. Hey, at least I could be honest and show my shortcomings that I thought I had it down, clearly didn't. Practiced some, although, if you want this to be a long video series, it's good that I got some 30-minute off-camera practice. Okay, so, here we go. Oh, little town of Bethlehem, how still we see thee lie above thy deep and dreamless sleep. Okay, so memorize it any way heck you can. So the verse, dreamless sleep, like I have sleep apnea, like sleep problems, like I have anxiety and emotions that keep me from sleeping. Yes, I take meds, but still I'm diagnosed with sleep insomnia. That's it. I think it's insomnia, the big fancy word for anxiety, emotions, keeps you up. But anyway, that's easy for me. So, oh, little town of Bethlehem, how still we see thee lie. Then think of my sleep troubles above thy deep and dreamless sleep. The silent stars go by. So, like, think of it as, like, stars, all the stars going by, and then maybe darkish to help remember the next verse. And remember how kids were scared of the darkish too? Okay. Oh, little town of Bethlehem, how still we see thee lie above thy deep and dreamless sleep. The silent stars go by. So the stars all went by, so it's dark. So then go to, and in the dark street shineth. Then it gets into talking about light, the everlasting light. Probably Star of David coming into the picture now, into the song. The hopes and fears of all the years are meant in thee tonight. So getting in towards Christ coming. So then Christ is born of Mary. And y'all, every Christian should know the Jesus' birth story. So after, most of the time after Christ is born, all the angels gather. So Christ is born of Mary and gathered all above. Then it gets into like people sleeping. And then it goes back towards the angels. I don't know why. It's to make it harder to memorize, I guess. But hey, that's a good thing. Challenges are always a good thing. Okay. Christ is born of Mary and gathered all above. While mortals sleep, the angels keep their watch of wandering love. So people say Jesus is love, so they keep their watch of wandering love. So like the angels are all watching Jesus. For Christ is born of Mary and and gathered all above. While mortals sleep, the angels keep their watch of wandering love. Oh, morning starts to gather. So now get into like the earth, and they're gathering and singing Jesus is born, proclaims the holy birth. Then here comes us. Praises sing to God the King, and peace to men on earth. Okay, if I can just remember all those techniques, and just remember I've been going over a little town of Bethlehem a lot, especially last night getting into like the final hours. This is really the final hours. Okay. Oh, little town of Bethlehem, how still we see thee lie above thy deep and dreamless sleep. The silent stars go by, yet in thy dark street shineth the everlasting light. The hopes and fears of all the years are meant in thee tonight. For Christ is born of Mary and gathered all above. While mortals sleep, the angels keep their watch of wandering love. Oh, morning stars together proclaim thy holy birth, and praises sing to God the King, peace to men on earth. Okay, bye y'all.